I had one that was super rusted under there. Just like that, front grill is out. So they will be replacing those pieces down there. What's good? It's your boy G Kid back with another video of Live Fast. What we gonna do today, if you clicked on this video, you probably already know, fog light covers. These are the fog light covers that will go on the car. So they will be replacing those pieces down there, and it's gonna give the front end just a much more aggressive look. So to begin, I've already taken off my pieces right here. This is for my license plate frame and my license plate. Now I gotta come up here to the top grill, and I gotta remove a couple little nuts. So I'm gonna have to take out this one, this one, this one, and this one, and then get this front grill out of here. So let's do that. It's gonna take a T25 Torx bit. Just like that, front grill is out. The next thing is gonna be a couple screws on each side. There's two of them down here. There's one more right there. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe you can leave this one in, but then you wanna take this one out. These are also T25. Underneath the car, there's gonna be a couple little nuts like that. They're gonna be T25 as well. There's one in the corner here. There's a couple underneath. I had one that was super rusted under there. So what I did was I actually took my oscillating tool and I cut a slice in it and then stuck a flathead screwdriver in here and then loosened it off. Now that we've gotten all of those loosened up, this should slide right off of here. Now that the bumper's off, I'm actually going to unplug fog lights. So now the front bumper is off of the GTI. So let's get to work. It's finally out. Let's go ahead and put the new one in now. All right, so you go from like this, where it's super flat, to like this, where it poke out a bit. It's a subtle change. However, it's gonna be a huge impact once I put it on the car. So I have one side done, one side undone. What I had to do was I actually had to take off this fog light bracket in order to get to here, pull that fog light out of there to get to the back of these clips. So you got a clip here, down here, and there's a couple little clips that are in between these parts. So it's one here, it's another up here, all the way around. This is why it's easier to take the whole bumper off and then be able to take your old fog light covers out and put the new ones in. So the screws that I had to take out in order to get the fog light cover out was this one here, and then I had to wedge it so I can get these clips off of here in order to pull this portion out. And then to get the fog light off, you take out these two bolts here. So now let me show you which ones I take out. Take this guy out of here, take this one out. Now what I did is I came on this side and I popped it out of this little side of the bumper. Then I took this out of here. So you sort of wedge it back like this and then you slide it out of this little bracket. Next up, what you're gonna do is take out this one. What I did next was I took this piece and popped it around the bumper, just like so. After we got that out of there, next thing I did was I took a screwdriver right here and wedged these pieces so that these two clips could pop up. Then now, it should be nice and loose, that when you flip this down, you can get it off by popping these clips here to get it off of there. Now that both sides are on the front bumper, I'm gonna install the bumper back on the car now. So as you can see, it looks way better. Much more clean. And just you wait, we got a surprise going on right there. So once again, there's been another install from your boy G Kid on an episode of Live Fast. I got Shorty behind the camera right now. This has been a great install. It honestly looks so much better. If you got a chance to do this install, please set aside about 3 to 4 hours in order to do the install. If you have a lift, it could be even easier. But I hope you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. We can't wait to see you into the next video. I'm gonna have the link for this down below in the description. Can't wait to see you in the next video. It's your boy, signing out again. Peace.